Well, hi, welcome to another vlog. My name is Antwiwaa if this is the first time you see my face. But yeah, it's been a hot minute. It's been a while since I last vlogged, and I thought, you know what? I have a few interesting things I'm doing today. So I'm gonna vlog and kind of take you along. This past week has been pretty boring. I haven't been entirely great, so I just didn't feel like vlogging or filming my day-to-day activities. I've just pretty much been working, and yeah, that's all I've done this week. But yeah, today, like I said, I have a few things I have to do. I have to film minimum 2 videos for the coming week. Yeah, 2. I want to do 3, but I'm going to do 2 and not like push myself too much. And then I have a few things I need to do, and then I have an event later in the evening. I'm really looking forward to this event. I can't wait to show you what event I'm talking about, but I'm very excited for that one. So there's this thing I do where, like, over the weekend, if I'm doing stuff, like whatever I'm doing, if I can afford to not concentrate fully on it, I tend to watch series or like a few movies here and there. And this weekend I'm watching a series called Sci-Fi on Netflix, and it's about, you know, it's interesting. So if you like detective, FBI, mystery, trying to solve, you know, stuff like that kind of movies, yeah, you like this one. So yeah, that's like the movie recommendation or series recommendation that nobody asked for. I feel like you guys have seen this combination on the channel, but this one today is slaying my edges while I try to make up, and this is just a comfy shirt I like to wear from time to time. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling now, go do my makeup while I watch my series, and then I'll get to filming. And I'll probably see you during the process or after the process. I don't know, but I'll definitely see you today, this evening, at the show. So don't go anywhere. Welcome to the vlog if I didn't say that already. And yeah, my name is Antwiwaa, just in case this is the first time here. I hope you stick around for a long time.
Yeah, pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá. Porque lo sepas. Porque ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita.
The only thing that's really annoying about movies is the fact that we, the people watching, like we, the viewers, can't see that this person's obviously the bad guy. And the people in the movie don't see what is right in front of them. I mean, yes, it's a movie, but why can you not see that this guy is a freaking... Okay. Also, the way people shag in movies, yeah? If people shag like that in real life, you'd be mad. Like, go on a date, meet someone for the first time, take them home, shag. What? Is this normal? Do people do this normally? Wild. The difference lashes makes, and like, look at my eye. Like, look, no lash. Anyway, I think I'm ready. I'm just gonna switch out the lens, get my 50mm on, this one, so that I could get the whole blurry background effect-ish, and then I will get to filming. But this is the look. This the look. Okay, I think I look pretty decent now. I've switched up my lens. Let me just, you know, concentrate on filming this video, and then we can get back to chatting, okay? Alright. Hello, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back. In today's video, we are starting a brand new episode. So basically, on Money Dilemmas, you send in your money dilemmas, your money problems, and we are going to dissect those dilemmas, those questions, those problems right here on the channel, and find proper solutions that will hopefully take you to the video, please stop running away. Hey guys, it's Naku. Thank you.
Are you into big boom? I actually do want to travel around Nigeria. It's just a trek.
That's a good.
Once the bounce is back.
I asked a question. The teacher said, "Is it time for questions? Can't you wait?"
This is the podcast for you.
I mean, just a sidebar to Christians. Nobody's getting saved by the fact that you're not getting some.
I said what I said. The Unsolicited Opinions podcast starts now.
Who was prepared for this?
He dresses up. He gave no money for fashion. This guy what he wears at home. Yeah, for relaxing. That's what he wants people in.
Yeah, and you had options, so there's one coat. No, I know you did.
No, you guys think I'm joking.
But there was an actual coat. There was a coat.
What's the what you call it? Jacket. I catch things and I can't be wasting it.
If you mistakenly likes you,
Trouble.
you're in trouble. This thing that nobody, even his gate man, you wear different hats. What you don't know is you. You not be drunk one day, just say, man, I'm tired of this fucking July. My sister, between you, your God, and your mother's prayers.
If I see the one I want, I move. No, but
I'm not saying don't clap. No. No, because Fekemi means people are straight. Fekemi is I've seen her in action. Fekemi is extremely smooth. You know the kind of thing that you see, hey. That's what they're okay. Fekemi is very smooth. So she knows those ones that you feel is, get to the back, buys the national say she's paying for the drink. The guys who smile, pay for the drink, they start talking. Try it.
Thank you so much. Shout out to you. And thank you guys so much for being a great crowd and listening to our podcast. This is.
I would never ask you to give up things.
Hi guys, so it's been like I'm resting because I'm waiting for my Uber to get here. I have to be at work, but it's been a few days since the event. I don't know if this angle is flattering, but I'm tired, so sorry. But I realized I didn't get the time to talk to you on the way to the event and then after the event. But from the footage, you probably can see that I had a good time. I had a blast. It was the I Said What I Said podcast live show in Accra. If you don't know the podcast, you probably won't be excited for it. But it's a pretty interesting podcast, so maybe you should give it a listen. But yeah, it was fun. I had a good time. It was extra interesting was the fact that a subscriber walked up to me and she said she wanted a picture. I was like, with me, girl. We took a selfie. I was shy, so I don't know how it turned out, honestly. I was cheesing the whole time, but hopefully it was good. And her name, if I'm not mistaken, her name is Naomi. So what's up, Naomi? And thank you for watching and subscribing. And I'm just pretty much giving you a shout out. So shout out to Naomi. And yeah, I hope the picture was good enough for you. Yeah, that was pretty much it for that show. I had a good time. The small chops too were a hit, so yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
KFC is across the street from the new place, so I literally make myself here every time I come to the menu. So I'm like really shaky. Okay, that's my order. I'll be right back. I do this thing when I come to KFC after my new appointment. And then have their really crunchy chicken. Can't have it all the time because it's probably not a healthy meal option. But if I can have it once a month, I think it's fine. Anyway, I'm just going to eat now. I still have work tomorrow because I came here on a weekday because on Saturdays and Sundays, the nail place is full of people and you have to like literally queue for hours. So I came here on a weekday. I still have to go out. I still have to go to work tomorrow. So I'm just going to go ahead, eat my food, and go home and get some rest. So bon appetit. Hi guys, what's up? How are you doing? I decided to check in with you today because I don't remember talking so much on this vlog. I feel like I don't know, but I decided to check in. Today's a Friday and I'm at work. Reason for this outfit. So yeah, I usually have like this phase where I don't know what to do with my hair. Like when I have like a new hair, I go through this phase. It lasts about a week where I don't know what exactly will look good. Like, so even though people look at me and say I like your hair, I'm like I don't know if it looks good right now. I feel like the hair could look better, so I'm like I keep playing around with it because I don't know if it looks good. These are the nails I got. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I went in with French tips as well, but I like them so much that I had to get them again. But this time around they made the white a lot more thicker. So yeah, I'll keep this. Sorry, this doesn't look good because I cut myself with a knife about a week ago. So that is that. But yeah, I have a few things I need to do. I'll get to that now, and I also have a few deliveries coming. I think I have 2 deliveries coming in today, so I'll probably check in with you when they come in. But yeah, this is my Friday face. Tired, pulling through, and I'm very much looking forward to the weekend. But I'll see you very soon. Hey guys, hi people, she's back. She's back like she said she was going to be. Anyway, I'm actually back because I talked about some deliveries I said I was going to be getting, and they're all here, which is great because I was like, you people, I have up until 2 o'clock for you guys to get here. I don't want to be here like till 6 and still be waiting for delivery, guys. And they did not disappoint. So I'm going to do a mini haul because I've been working the whole time, so I'm going to take a few minutes to have like a tiny haul. You can't see them until I wear them, but I got some black pants or like black trousers for the office. Let's put this away. So we did a little bit of makeup shopping. I got a Morphe palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I like the fact that they wrap them in bubble wrap because nobody wants to receive damaged makeup or like broken foundation. And then I got some Laura Mercier translucent blue setting powder. So this is what it looks like. It's literally my very first Laura Mercier anything. I got some Maybelline Define Define a Lash mascara, and then a powder, and then I got this blush palette because for some reason I'm actually getting into blushes. Like I would use a rosy lipstick on my cheeks. I was like, you know what, let's just get a blush palette instead. I'm sure this will last a long time because, to be honest, the only time I do that is when I'm filming or when I'm going out. This is what it looks like. Got some concealers, some LA Girl concealers, and this I believe is the foundation that is well wrapped. That's pretty much what my delivery is. Now I'm just going to clear my desk and go back to work. So all my packages have arrived, right? I just told you like a few minutes ago, but someone just called me and said that he's the one bringing me the package. I'm like, what package? And then he's like, you don't know you're getting a package? And I'm like, what? But he says he's on the way into your bed. I could actually cry, but this is the sweetest thing ever. This is so sweet. Let me show you. This is the sweetest surprise ever. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting it, so I'm very pleased. Anyway, we just hit 2.67k subscribers. Thank you. And please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.